Hey foodie friends, and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Karen. So today I'm going to show you how to make a salted caramel sauce. It's only 3 ingredients and it takes 3 minutes. So let's get cooking. For our ingredients, you're going to need 1 cup of packed dark brown sugar, 1 stick of salted butter, and 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Melt your butter and your brown sugar together and cook over medium heat for 2 minutes, continually stirring. Now let's add our heavy whipping cream. Stir for 1 more minute. Toss in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and give it a good stir. And that's all there is to it, friends. You have a rich, creamy, decadent, salted caramel sauce you made in 3 minutes. Place in a little jar, top with a bow, and give it to your friends. They'll be super impressed. Have a great day.